Upbeat music plays. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we take the guesswork out of your shopping dilemmas. Because let's face it, who has the time to sift through endless reviews when you can just watch us make the hard decisions for you? Today, we're diving deep into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown that will have your floors squeaky clean and your wallets feeling smart. Split screen shows H2O Mop X5 on the left and Shark Steam and Scrub on the right. In the left corner, weighing in at $169, we have the H2O Mop X5, the Swiss Army knife of mops that promises to steam clean everything from your floors to your grandma's old carpets. And in the right corner, at a slightly lighter price of $139, we have the Shark Steam and Scrub, which claims to scrub away stains faster than you can say, "Oops, I spilled my coffee again." Let's kick things off with the price. H2O Mop X5 is like that fancy restaurant you save for special occasions, $169. Meanwhile, Shark Steam and Scrub is more like your go-to diner, $139 and still deliciously effective. Reviewers on Amazon have noted that the Shark Steam and Scrub delivers great performance for its price, making it a budget-friendly option. If you're on a budget, Shark might be the way to go. But hey, if you want to feel fancy while cleaning, the H2O Mop X5 is your mop of choice. Now, let's talk functionality. The H2O Mop X5 is a 5-in-1 powerhouse. It can clean your floors, windows, garments, and even your secrets. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, especially noting how effective it is for deep cleaning and everyday use. On the flip side, Shark Steam and Scrub comes with 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep. This mop scrubs with over 150 scrubs per minute, which users love for its ability to tackle tough stains. It's like a dance party for your floors. Speaking of scrubbing, let's get to the nitty-gritty: stain removal. The Shark Steam and Scrub claims to remove stuck-on stains twice as effectively as traditional steam mops. Reviewers have praised its ability to handle tough stains, especially on tile floors, making it a favorite among pet owners. The H2O Mop X5, while it may not scrub as aggressively, is filterless and environmentally friendly. Users highlight its ease of use and effectiveness with just water, making it a solid choice for allergy sufferers. Now, let's talk design. The H2O Mop X5 looks sleek and sophisticated, like it just stepped off a runway. However, some users pointed out that its plastic base feels cheap and may compromise durability. The Shark Steam and Scrub has powerful LED headlights to reveal hidden debris, which users find very helpful during late-night cleaning sessions. Reviewers have noted its lightweight design and swivel steering, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. Overall, the reviews for the H2O Mop X5 highlight its versatility and ease of use, but some users have reported concerns about its build quality. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub receives high marks for its effective cleaning performance and user-friendly design, although some drawbacks in corner cleaning were noted. So which mop reigns supreme? If you want versatility and a touch of luxury, the H2O Mop X5 is your best bet. But if you're looking for power and a budget-friendly option, the Shark Steam and Scrub has got your back. And your floors. So what's the verdict? Are you team H2O or team Shark? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this showdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can keep making smart buys with us. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Bye! Screen fades to black with channel logo and subscribe button.